Do you want to know 9 amazing health benefits of drinking baking soda water? Let's dive in. 1. Supports digestion. Baking soda can help neutralize stomach acid, providing quick relief from indigestion, heartburn, and acid reflux. 2. Balances pH levels. It acts as a natural alkalizer, helping balance the body's pH and reduce excess acidity. 3. Relieves urinary tract discomfort. Drinking baking soda water can make urine less acidic, soothing burning sensations during urinary tract infections, though it's not a cure. 4. Boosts exercise performance. Athletes sometimes use it to reduce lactic acid buildup, which may improve endurance and reduce muscle fatigue. 5. Supports kidney health. It may help slow the progression of kidney disease by reducing acid levels in the blood when medically supervised. 6. Natural detox aid. Its alkalizing properties can help the body flush out toxins more efficiently. 7. Freshens breath. By reducing acidity and harmful bacteria in the mouth, baking soda water may support oral health and fresher breath. 8. Soothes sore throat. Gargling with baking soda water can ease irritation, reduce bacteria, and provide relief from mild throat discomfort. 9. May help reduce gout symptoms. By neutralizing excess uric acid, baking soda water may ease discomfort associated with gout flare-ups. While baking soda water has benefits, it should be used in moderation. Too much can lead to side effects like nausea, high sodium levels, or even serious health issues. Always check with a doctor before making it a regular habit, especially if you have heart, kidney, or blood pressure concerns.